5 reasons why you need an unwavering belief in yourself at work. How important is it to be able to make good decisions at work? More importantly, what do your actions say about you to your superiors in a work setting? We don't always think about these things, especially if we're not in a position where it seems like we make a lot of decisions. After all, if you're not upper management or in charge, who cares? You should. No matter where you are at work or what you're doing during the day, you're going to be making all kinds of decisions, and if you don't have an unwavering belief in yourself, it's going to show. In fact, it'll do a whole lot more than make you seem indecisive. Don't believe it? Let's explore several reasons why you need an unwavering belief in yourself even at work. You'll start thinking others are better than you. It's natural when you experience self-doubt to feel as though others have more to contribute. This would be a terrible mistake, especially if you allow these feelings to keep you in the background, especially at meetings, networking opportunities, or even taking advantage of opportunities. You'll stop trying. If you don't feel like your efforts have value or your decisions hold any merit, you'll find yourself holding back instead of contributing to the conversation. The downside? No one will ever hear your great ideas, meaning they're missing out on something which could be wonderful. But even worse, your bosses will see your lack of effort as a lack of caring. This could affect you adversely when it comes time for a performance review. You'll avoid responsibility. Of course, you're not going to want to take on any leadership role if you don't trust yourself enough to lead others well. Unfortunately, this kind of behavior will keep you from a lot of career advancement. You'll lose creativity. When you lack self-belief, decision-making becomes complicated. Rather than go with what you might feel might be the best course of action, you'll do whatever everyone else says is best. This might seem like an easy out, but you'll soon find it's impossible to be innovative when you do what's always been done before. Failure will take you out of the game. What happens when you mess up? If you're already down on yourself, a disaster likely means the end. There's no point in trying again or doing anything differently. Unfortunately, this kind of attitude will eventually get you fired. You need to get up and keep going. The good news is, by exploring unwavering self-belief, you'll find it almost inevitable you'll make good decisions, and all your actions will be exactly the right thing to do. A strong, confident person will go far in any industry, whether you're just starting or are already on your way to the top.